Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the formula concatenate. The purpose of formula is to merge values of different sales. Here you see we have purchase document number, profit control data, purchase order value, and we use formula here matching value. We do purchase order value, then starting two digit of purchase document, and profit control ESA. The purpose of concatenate is to merge together values in different sales. How to do it? We use formula here. It is our example: purchase document, profit control, purchase order value. First we need purchase order value, then starting two digit of purchase document number and profit control. We just do equal to concatenate, bracket open, select purchase order value, comma, then we require two digit of purchase document number, two starting digit of purchase document number. Here the purchase document number digit at left side. This is left side, this is right side. We require two digit at left side. We use formula left, bracket open, select this cell, comma, we require just two digit, therefore we write just 2 here, bracket close, then comma, we require profit control ESA. We select this cell and press enter. Yes, here you see 910 purchase order value, 47 is purchase document starting two digits, then ESA, profit E control, but it is merge. How can we do space between these values? Just click on this cell. Here D10 is purchase order value. We require space after D10. After D10 comma, we use quotation mark, then use space, then quotation mark, then comma. If we require space between the words, we use quotation mark, then space, then quotation mark. It means space are showing, then use comma to space between the words, then enter. You see 910, then space is showing, then 47, then ESA. We require space between 47 and ESA. We just do left 47 two digits, then we require space here. We use comma, then quotation mark, we require space, type space button, then do again quotation mark, then comma is also already here. We just press enter. Now you see 910 space 47, then space, then ESA. We add one more data equal to this plus 1 47 002 9093, last one 92, then 93. Same ESA, we do copy, then paste, and value 500. We don't need to write again formula, we just control C and control V. Here you see value 547 ESA. We do another example. Just select formatting. We don't need to color again, just formatting. Copy the formatting here. The again formula, again new purchase document number 52136495001. ESA value 250. We just control C then control V, or we just press control D. Same. Purchase order value 250, then purchase document starting digit 52, then profit control ESA. Hopefully you understand this video. If you want to ask any query, you may comment us. Thank you so much.